This is Scene Island fam. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, I'm in a different setting, and that's because I'm in my new apartment. And if you watched the last couple of vlogs, you would have seen my moving vlog, my getting my apartment vlog, my apartment tour, all those good jazz. So now I'm in here with all of this chaos because it's the morning after I have moved out of my old apartment, and I need to start to organize stuff. I can't pack it up perfectly simply because um there's work that needs to be done in the apartment, and if you all watch my vlogs before, you will know that I agreed to move in even though there was stuff still needed to be done because I wanted to move out of the place that I was living at. So yeah. So right now I'm just trying to clean up and organize stuff and make it as accessible as possible because I have been crawling over boxes and stuff all morning and it's irritating me. I woke up since like 5 this morning and I have started cleaning the fridge behind me because it was filthy. I moved it here and it was filthy. So yeah. So I've started cleaning the fridge and then I'm going to tackle this area, making it a lot more organized. Because even though I labeled all of my boxes for where it's supposed to go, the people that moved me here did not follow instructions and I just put everything in one corner of the entire apartment and everything is just piled up on top of everything and it's just chaotic. So that's what I'll be doing today, trying to organize this hunker junker mess. It is now like I think 11 a.m. I've been up since 5:30, but it's 11 a.m. now. Chill, I had some oat pancakes to eat. I'm probably going to have to order something for us to eat for lunch, but we are getting stuff done and yeah, so I will keep you guys updated. Inside the shower, there's a pipe here that I can wash stuff. So I took all of the shelves out of the fridge and I have them here because I just scrubbed them. I'm about to rinse them out and then put them back in the fridge so I can pack the stuff that needs to go in the fridge. So that's what I'm doing at this moment. Also, my landlord just called and she's on her way with the plumber because I need to get a pump installed because the building I live at, I'm on the top floor, and I guess when other people are using the water in other apartments downstairs, it's hard for water to come upstairs. So she installed a tank, and she's coming today to install a pump so that I can still get water even when the water pressure is low and people downstairs using water and I can't get water. So that's what's going on now. I won't record while she's here, but when she's gone, I'll show you all what else I'm up to. So So this is what everything is looking like as of right now. It is like 5:30, I think, p.m. and this is what it's looking like. I have since packed up stuff here. I had to go through different boxes to see what went where. This is going to be here for a little while. It's maybe a couple weeks. I had to go turn down the baby's cartoon noises. So this, as I was saying, is just going to be here for a couple of weeks, maybe a month or so, until the work and everything in the kitchen is done, and then I'll have actual countertops and stuff like that to put my stuff. But as of right now, this is what I have to use. This is from when I built it for Shiara's playroom, so I'm just using it here. I used it in my last apartment in the kitchen because I had no storage. So yeah, so for right now, this is what I'll be using to put like my pots and pans on. I'm not sure where I'm going to put like my dishes, like my plates and stuff, but this is what place is looking like. All of these things are supposed to be in the kitchen. That's why I said that box needs to be moved. I have some things here that needs to be packed away, and well, the chaos that reigns behind it that needs to be organized, which I don't know if I'm going to do all of that today, but I'm going to see how much I can do, as much as I can. This corner is a disaster. This is still slightly organized chaos, but here, oh no, that's just chaos, people. That's just chaos. In the bedroom, I have like some stuff there. Brandon basket is there. All of this is things that's supposed to be in the bedroom. Yes, there's things on the floor. The bookshelf is packed, but I'm thinking I'm going to move the basket, put the bookshelf there, and then move the basket here because Sakura's basket has to go next to it. We do not have chest of drawers. The beds are in a horrible mess next to each other. So yeah, and this is like part of the double decker because I'm not building up the double decker or anything just yet until here is painted and organized. So yeah. Okay, so it's nighttime now, a lot later than when you last saw me or saw this place. So what I wanted to show you is that I decided to switch around the kitchen because I found out that I'm not getting counters like I thought I was. They're just going to be fixing this nonsense right here. So that's the only thing that's going to be fixed, and I'm not going to be having counters. So I need to use my stuff to the best of my ability. So this is how I set it up. I moved the fridge from there and put, don't worry, this is going to be moved when I get my stove. This is just to put my tabletop stove on to be able to cook, because that's what I've been cooking on for like 6 months now. And then there's this here with the weird stuff. Don't wash your microwave, it needs to clean. Here needs to be packed, but I'm just giving you all a general layout. And then this is what I'm going to make into my counter. Don't worry, I'll give you all a whole DIY on that when I go and do it. But yeah, and then here is where I put the fridge because it was in a really awkward position in the corner there. So it's here now. And then there's workspace to go into the living room. So ta-da-da! My days are being looked together, guys. And I'm not sure what day it is, but I know it's days after I last spoke to you all. So update. Living room is sort of situated. That looks in a mess because it needs to be packed properly. But for the most part, most of everything is done. So can't perfectly pack anything just yet because if you can see behind me, the walls has a lot of these holes, right? And so the landlord said that previous person, had a lot of things in the wall and whatever, so that's gonna get fixed and the wall is going to get painted. So I can't perfectly place anything anywhere. As y'all can see, my TV not even on the wall because I have to wait until the walls are patched and painted, which is supposed to happen soon. So I can't really put away anything perfectly. So yeah. Also, the plumber did come and install the pump, but now the problem is that the toilet tank is leaking, and because of that, we have to keep the something in my ear. Because of that, we have to keep the valve for the toilet off because it's tripping off the pump. The guy is going to come later on this week to fix that, to make sure that it's not tripping off the pump. So until then, we can only open it when we need to fill the tank, and then once it's full, we turn it off. And yeah, so that's going to be fixed in a couple of days. Actually, by the end of the week, it's going to be fixed by the end of the week. That's what I was told, because the day that he was here, when he noticed that it was leaking, it was too late to go to the hardware to get the part for the toilet tank to be able to fix it. So that's why it's not fixed yet. So most likely he might come today or tomorrow to get it done. So yeah. So let me just give you guys an overview of how the place is looking so far. Again, it's not perfectly packed, but it's what will work until all the work in here is done and I can properly pack everything. So yeah. This is the kitchen area. told y'all this is going to get fixed. This is going to be replaced by a actual stove because this is what I cook on right now. This is what I had in my old place with all my wares, and this is what I'm going to have to keep because I was informed by landlord that they're not building counters here, they're just fixing here. And then there's still stuff like glass stuff here that I cannot pack out until everything is done and I can find a place for it. These things on top of here needs to be packed and moved, so they're just here until I organize them. The fridge is over on this side, and y'all, I need to clean the side of the fridge because it's filthy. So yeah, and then there's boxes here with stuff that still needs to be packed and organized, but shelving and stuff needs to go up and all of that in order to get everything situated where it's supposed to be. There's the chairs here because this area would be the living room area. My mat or rug or whatever you want to call it on the ground. She was eating on that table last night, so that's why that's there. There's this because I can't put the TV on the wall just yet. So this is what's housing the game and the TV, even though we haven't used the TV since we got here. So yeah. There is this bookcase with books on it, obviously. And then here that I'm going to set up like a tea station or whatever. You can see the kettle there because there's a plug here. And then in the corner here, I put my desk and my chair. So that's where I'll be like working from. And I have some like my stuff in the corner here that is work related and Stush Beauty business related because there's nowhere else to put it. I will not show y'all in there because it's a hot mess. And then the bedroom I'll show you sleeping. So, but that is organized as well. And it just needs to be painted. So, yeah. So this is what everything is looking like so far. So far, so good. More room. Feeling comfortable. Yay. The video, guys. That's it. Next time y'all will see this place is when it's a little more updated. I mean, y'all will see me vlogging in here. But I mean, like in terms of an update or whatever as to how it really looks when I'm completely done setting it up. Will be a while from now, but I assure you I'll do it. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so by clicking that big red word that says subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. Share this video with all your friends. Like it if you like me, if you like us, if you like my shenanigans. Come back here every week for another vlog. Comment down below any comments, questions, concerns, anything else you want to see next on my channel. Don't forget, self-love is important. Take care of your mental health and don't forget to smile. So thanks again guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time on the island. Bye bye.